Mr. Jacob is 47 years old and his son is 8 years old. How old will his son be when Mr. Jacob is 4 times as old as his son? We have this information which we can use model or the model units model to represent, right? So when I say Mr. Jacob is 4 times, means it's 4 units, okay? It's 4 units. As old as the sun is 1 unit. Whatever you're comparing to, 4 times as old as, the next item is always 1 unit, okay? So I'm going to draw a comparison model, Mr. Jacob and the son. Mr. Jacob is 4 units, okay? And then the son is 1 unit, like this, okay? Then you can tell that there is a difference. There's a difference there. The difference is there. And it is actually 3 units, right? 1, 2, 3. So there's a difference. And how do I get these 3 units? I simply take 4 unit, take away 1 unit, correct? To get my 3 unit. So if you look at the ages, there is a difference also between Mr. Jacob and the son. There's a difference, right? 47 minus 8, I get 39. This is the difference, which means my 3 unit is 39. And I want to find son. Son is just 1 unit. Okay, so 1 unit is 39 divided by 3 and I get 13. How old is the son? 13 years old. That's the answer for number 1. Okay, next one. Just take note of the answer, okay? You don't have to copy down the working if you get it wrong. Next one. 3/4 of a number is 351 less than 3 times of the number. So I'm going to work with this one first. 3/4 of the number. So I do not know what's the number, but I know it's 3/4. 3/4 means 3 out of 4 parts, right? So I can draw my 4 parts first. Okay, so I cut it up. Okay, make it equal lah. It's not equal. Redo. Okay, so I cut it out into 4 parts like this. 3 out of 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is the number. NO dot is short form for the number, okay? So 3 out of 4 part is 351 less than, okay, we don't do this one first because I want to compare with what? I want to compare with 3 times of the number. Now the number is 4 parts. Now I want 3 times means I will draw 3 times of the number, this part, these 4 parts. I draw 3 times. Okay, like this. And like this, right? So this is 3 times of the number. Now, if you look at that, we have 351 less than, which means there is a difference. If you take away the 3 parts that you shade, it's over here. This is the whole thing. Okay, so it is from here all the way here. This is the comparison or the difference. Okay, and how many units is this 351? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 unit is 351. 1 unit is 351 divided by 9. And I will get 39. Do I want that? What is the number? The number is the whole 4 parts based on the first model, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I want 4 units, which is 39 times 4. And I will get 156. Answer, please mark. Next one. This is the speed I'm going to go through. 2/5 of Jim's stem are local stem. Okay. The rest are foreign stem. How many stems does Jim have if he has 65 more foreign stem than local stem? Okay, this one, what you can do is you can just draw a part whole model, means 1 line. Okay, we're going to draw that. And I'm going to cut it up based on the denominator, which means out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 out of 5. 1, 2 are local. This one. The rest are foreign, which is this one, right? Okay, and then if you notice, I want to know How many stems does he have? I want to find everything, the total. Now, let's indicate how many local stems. Units are there. 1, 2. Foreign stem is 1, 2, 3. Now, if you notice, they are comparing between the foreign stem and the local stems, okay? So when I'm comparing, I am simply taking away or actually minus, finding the difference between the foreign stem and the local stem. Foreign is 3 units, local is 2 units. And then you can see that the foreign is more. How many more? 1 unit more. So this 1 unit is 65. How many stems does he have in all? Everything is 5 units. This is what I want to find out. 5 unit is 65 times 5. And I get 325. That's the answer. Okay. Next one, please mark. Take note of the correct answer. Number 4 is an angle question. Okay, BDGE is a trapezium and GF is parallel to BC. ABC and AEF are isosceles triangles. Find angle P and angle Q. Angle P and angle Q, right? So respectively, angle P, how many? Angle Q, how many degrees each? Respectively, you're supposed to find. Okay, I'm going to look at the first thing first is the isosceles triangle. Since I want to find P first, and P is within this isosceles triangle. Can you see the one that I color in yellow? Okay, and the isosceles is this indicated by these 2 lines. So can I find this angle and this angle there? I can, okay? And how do I do that? If I want to find this angle, okay, that is angle ACB. Angle ACB is equals to 180 degrees. Take away the 44 degrees, answer divided by 2. Equal to 136 degrees divided by 2. And I get 68 degrees. This is 68 degrees, okay? Now, if you look at this is a straight line. Okay, and I can find this angle here, angle on a straight line. So I can find this angle here, right? That is angle FCD or DCF. Angle DCF equals to 180 degrees, take away 68 degrees, and I will be getting 112 degrees. 112 degrees. So this is 112 degrees. Now I want to change to purple highlighter, pink. Okay, so I want you to look at, there's a parallel line here and here. There's a parallel line, these 2, correct? So which means I can find a Z rule. Can you see this Z? I'm going to erase this. So can you see that Z, the one in pink? This, and this. Okay. And if this is 112, then P is also 112 degrees. So P is 112 degrees. Why? Because of that Z rule, like this. Okay, whatever angle is here, so angle P is here, right? It's equal to this angle as well. Okay, the Z rule. Okay, we got that. Now angle Q. Angle Q is over here. So if you can see, if this is 112, then over here is also 112 degrees. Now that is your X rule. Whatever that is here, this is 112 degrees. Here will also be 112 degrees. These 2 angles are equal. Like these 2 angles, equal as well. Okay, now if I find this is 112, can I find angle Q? Can, okay, because they are isosceles indicated by this and this. Okay, so angle Q is equals to 180 degrees minus 112 degrees divided by 2. And we're going to get 68 degrees divided by 2 and it's 34, sorry. It's 34 degrees. Okay, so angle Q is 34 degrees. That's your answer. All right. Next one. After number 5, I'm going to pause for 5 minutes for you all to take a breather. What percentage of 5 kilometer is 7 to 5? percentage of, whatever comes after the phrase percentage of, this is my denominator, then the next one is my numerator. Before I do my denominator and numerator times 100%, you must indicate where is your numerator and where is your numerator. So I have this, right? However, if you look at this one, this is kilometer and this is meter. They are not in the same unit. So I can't proceed unless they are of the same units. 5 kilometer, change it to meters, which is 5,000 meters. How do I do that? I just times it by 1,000. So which means 725 over 5,000 times 100%. And press your calculator, you're going to get 14.5%. And that's your answer. Okay. Okay, in the figure below, AB is parallel to DC. Angle BAF is 87 degrees, which is this one. BDC is 38 degrees, which is this one. Find angle BEF, this yellow colored one. Okay, I like it when they say there are parallel lines because there's many rules which I can use with parallel lines, okay? So let's look at the parallel line. AB is parallel to DC. If you look at that properly, I can actually see there is something to do with your Z rule here. Where is it? This, and this. Can you see? There's a Z rule. This is the Z rule. Here is 38. So here will also be 38 degrees. Here is also 38 degrees. Can you see? Okay. So now with that, it's easier. Right now, we are going to focus at the small triangle. This one, triangle ABE. Can you just focus at this? Then I can tell that I already have two angles here, 87 and 38. Can I find these angles there? I can find, right? So angle AEB is equals to sum of angle in triangle, take away 87 degree, take away 38 degrees, like this. And you will be getting 55 degrees. So the angle here is 55 degrees. Now, with that, can I proceed to find angle BEF, which is on a straight line, to find this one? Can, right? So this angle BEF is because of angle of a straight line is 180 degrees. Take away 55 degrees and I get 125 degrees. Angle on a straight line. Answer. Okay, please mark. Next one.